Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome for the Phonics Masterclass. So, let me know which city are you from and which standard are you in. Let's get to know each other a little bit. Quickly post in the chat box which city are you from and which standard are you in. All right. Grade 1, Gujarat, Noida, LKG, Lucknow, pre-nursery, Jaipur. All right. Hyderabad, Punjab. All right. Bihar, Mumbai. Okay. Delhi, Inaya, West Godavari. Okay. Roorkee, Gurgaon, Delhi. Okay. Lovely, lovely. A very warm welcome to everyone. Delhi, Mumbai, MP. Okay. Grade 4. Okay. Lovely. Okay, great. So I am Diksha Swani and I am your phonics trainer from Nagpur. Okay, lovely. I am Diksha and I live in Agra. Okay, so are you all ready to know more about phonics? So, have any of you done any kind of phonics program before? If you have written before, have you ever attended any phonics program before? No. Okay, no. How many of you know what phonics is? Do you know what phonics is? No. Okay. Vijayawada. Okay. All right. No. So the replies that I have got, most of you who have replied have said that they have not attended any kind of program before. All right. So it's very, very important for you to understand, first of all, what is phonics? So phonics is a program that helps you to get clarity of sounds. When you get clarity of sounds, then you are able to read better. If you know the sounds, you will be able to read better. Yes? So, how many of you are comfortable with reading? If you're comfortable with reading, write C. How many of you are comfortable with reading? All right. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Lovely. Lovely. And how many of you learn your spellings by heart? You have to learn your spellings by heart because you're not clear of the sounds. Please write H if you learn your spellings by heart. You have to learn your spellings by heart because you don't understand the sounds. So you have no choice. आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. आपको spellings learn करनी पड़ती है by heart क्योंकि आपको sound नहीं पता. I request everyone to please reply. See, so many H. Yes. All right. So you have to learn your spelling by heart, right? Now, if I tell you that I can help you with phonics to get clarity of sound, आपको जब साउंड्स की क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी लेटर्स की, तो आप अपने आप कर सकते हैं रीडिंग. Yes, then it is not going to be a problem. Yes? Clear, everyone? All right. Okay. All right. All right. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Very, very nice. So, if you have a notebook, I will just show you a little bit of examples as to how it can become comfortable. Yes? May I know who's on the team with me? May I know who's on the team with me?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
All right, all right. There's somebody in the chat box who said that they cannot hear me. That's why I'm confirming. All right, perfect. So, children, be ready with your pencil and pen or and your notebook. Let's get started, and I will show you how phonics can help you. I'll give you some examples. Today is 6 June 2026. 6 June 2026. Please write the date. Yeah. All right. Now, the first sound that I will cover with you, please make a note of it. They are going to be very, very helpful for you. Yes? So, there are certain letters, when they are put together, they make a particular sound. All right? When certain letters are put together, they make a particular sound. Okay? So, when we put T, I, O, N together, when we put T, I, O, N together, it makes shin sound. Shin. What sound does it make? Shin. When T, I, O, N is put together, it makes shin sound. Tion makes shin sound. Shin. Now see the words that we can make with this sound. Shin, action. Shin, caption. How easy it becomes for you to read if you know that Tion together makes shin sound. Action, caption, lotion, motion, vacation. Yes, portion. Dictation. Yes. Clear? So when we know Tion together makes shin sound, then so many big words which we have to learn by heart become so much more easier for us. Station. Yes. Yes. All right. See, so many words are coming in the chat box. Yes. So these words, when put together, Tion makes shin sound. All right. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. So many words are mentioned in the group. Location, imagination, mention. Right? I hope you all have got this much. Okay. Donation. Very good. Now, the next one. T-U-R-E. Let's underline it. When T-U-R-E are put together, जब T-U-R-E को हम साथ में लिखते हैं, what sound do we get? Chur. What sound do we get? Chur. Chur. T-U-R-E when put together makes chur sound. Chur. Now see, so many words you can make with this. Future. Capture. Denture. Adventure. Picture. Yes, see, culture, nature, furniture, imagine furniture, and yes, so many words. When you put T-U-R-E together, yes, picture, correct. When you put T-U-R-E together, then you get the sound chur. Then you get the sound chur. Children, there are many words in the chat box also. You can note them down. Nature, rapture, furniture, vulture, culture. Hasn't it become easy for you to read them if you have the clarity of sound? Okay, once you are done, just give me a thumbs up. All right. Lovely. Okay. Nature, culture, furniture, capture. Okay. I'm getting a lot of thumbs up. So I assume most of the children have finished. Okay. Let me teach you one more sound. When O-U-G-H-T, O-U-G-H-T is put together, it makes ot sound. Ot. Ot sound. O-U-G-H-T when put together gives you ot sound. Ot. O-U-G-H-T. So it becomes so easy to read words like fought, bought, brought, thought, drought, Did you see? OUGHT when put together makes ot sound. Fought, bought, brought, thought, draught. All right. Yes. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Fought, bought, brought, thought, draught. All right. Just let me know the three sounds that I have covered with you until now. Were they helpful? Please write H if you feel they were helpful. Did you learn something that was helpful? Okay. Thank you very much for replying. Yes. Thank you very much for replying. All right. Thank you. Now, let me do some more exercises with you, which are going to be more helpful, and you'll realize how important a phonics course is. Yes? Perfect. So, I think we all know what are vowels. Yes? Do we all know what are vowels? Yes. Some children might not know what are vowels. So I'm just writing it in the chat box. Yes. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Yes. So let's write together. Let's write A to Z together. Let's write A to Z together. Quickly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Z. Written, beta? All right. Okay. Once done, just send me a thumbs up. I will move ahead once you've done. Okay. Now let us circle A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. So we will write vowels A, E, I, love, how will it read? O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Children, the rest of the letters are called consonants. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and all these other letters which are left, like K, L, R, S, P, B, C, D, thank you, Z, they are called consonants. So you can write consonants and you can write rest of the letters. Rest of the letters. So vowels are these. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So these 5 are vowels and the rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. Okay? They are called consonants. The rest of the letters are called consonants. Yes. Very nice. Done. Very good. They are called consonants. Now, children, there are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Yes, I assume you must be knowing short vowel sounds. If you don't know short vowel sounds, the sounds of these vowels which are short, please write short. If you know, then don't write anything. If you don't know, write short. Then I will cover it for you. Write short if you don't know. All right. Okay. So let us cover the short vowel sounds, right? Yes. Quickly. Let's write short vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds. So the first one is A. A says a, a, a. A says a, a, a. So when you write the words like k, a, the cat, b, a, the bat, r, a, na, ran. So this sound is used. A, a, a. A says a, a, a. We open a big mouth when we say a, 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 a. Many, many, many examples are of this. You can write on your own. I have written 3 of them for you. All right. Next letter. E. E says eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. When you say E, you don't open a very big mouth. Okay? Just 1 second. All right. Can you all see my face now? Hello, everyone. Can you all see my face now? Yeah. Now see. When we say ah, 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 then we open a big mouth. Ah, ah, ah. But when we say E, the sound it makes is eh, eh, eh. So you open a very small mouth. Eh, eh, eh. That is the short vowel sound of E. Okay? Team, can you remove my face from the spotlight, please? All right. Egg. Team, please remove my face from the spotlight. All right. Pen. Again, sound. Hen. Again, sound. Yes. Lot of examples are in the chat box. Wet. Yes. Get, bet, net. Yes. Children, can you see my screen where I'm writing? Bisma, please remove my face from the spotlight. All right. Let's move to the next sound. I. I. I makes what sound? In short vowel sound, I makes the sound E. Choti E. I hope you all know Hindi. Choti E. E, E, E. E, E, E. Igloo wala E. Igloo wala E. Yes? Igloo wala E. So, sit, hit, E, E sound. Igloo, igloo. igloo, ink, ink.
Hello.
Remove my face from spotlight.
You are not. Your face is not in spotlight, ma'am.
I can see it on my screen. Just check once. All right. Igloo, ink, sit, hit, pit, bit, kit, all is making E sound. Yes. Choti E ki matra. E sound. Next. O. What sound does O make? O, O, O. In short vowel sound, O says O, 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 like hot, cot. Not. Yes. O, O, O. I hope you all can see clearly. Children, there is a power cut at my end. Just give me 1 second. Anand, electricity. Anand, come here. Check out light चलिए फिर से सुन के. Got it back? Yes. Hot, cot, not. Yes. O sound. Clear? So we've covered 4 vowels, A, E, I, O, and the last one is U. In the short vowel sound, U makes the sound A. U makes the sound A. You can write it down. A. So words like sun, run. Yes? Yes. Umbrella. Yes. Cut. Hut. All these all right. Shut. Yes. All these are the short vowel sounds. Fun, bun, some, run, cut. Yes. Yes. All right. Team, can we disable the chat? Kindly disable the chat, please. And can we remove this Nirvan Jain, please, from the Zoom meeting? Who's with me? Is Bisma with me?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Kindly remove Nirvan Jain from the Zoom meeting
Sure.
and kindly disable the chat.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, done. Yeah. So we have covered the short vowel sounds. We have covered the short vowel sounds of A, E, I, O, U, which are A, E, I, O, A. A, E, I, O, A. Yes? Now, let's quickly move to long vowel sounds. Let's quickly move to long vowel sounds. I hope you all can see my screen clearly. All right. Okay. So the first long vowel sound is A-I together. A-I together. A-I together. So A-I together makes A sound, a long A sound. Let's write long A sound. So what words can you make now? Tail, mail, jail, rain. Yes. A-I together is the long vowel sound of A. A. Please make a note, everyone. A. So words like tail, mail, jail, rail, rain, pain, Spain, all will be covered here. All right. The next long vowel sound is double E. Double E together makes the long E sound. Long E sound. For example, B, fee, see, tree, free. So, all right. That was the long E sound. Next. The third long vowel sound is of I. That is I-E together. That is I-E together. That is the long I sound. I. Children, did you see that when I is in the short vowel, it makes I sound. It's igloo, ink. But when it comes to I, long vowel sound, then it is I for ice cream. Yes? Long I sound. So see the examples. Tie, lie, pie, die, lied, tied, eyed, fried, dried, cried. So many words are there. All right. Once you're done, just send me a thumbs up. Let's move to the next one. O, A together is the long vowel sound of O. O, long O sound. When O is alone, it makes the sound O. But when O is with A, it makes the long O sound. See? Boat, boat, road, road, load, load, soap, soap, cloak, cloak. So many words. OA together makes O sound, long vowel sound of O. Okay. Done, beta. This is the long vowel sound of O. Okay. And the last one is UE together. That is the long vowel sound of U, which makes the sound U. What sound does it make? U. UE together makes the sound U. When U is alone, it makes the sound A. But when U is with E, it makes the sound U. U. value, du, due, you, q, fuel, fuel, res, you, rescue. So, when you have the clarity of sound, it will become so easy for you to read even big words. Yes? U, E together makes the long vowel sound of U. All right. Yes. So we have covered the short vowel sounds, that is a, e, o, e, I, o, u. And the long vowel sounds, which are here, a, e, I, o, u. Isn't it? Yes. So this is what I wanted to cover in today's class. If it was beneficial, it was helpful, you felt you've learned something new, please write helpful in the chat box. If you feel that what you learned today was helpful, can we enable the chat, please? Kindly enable the chat, please. If it was helpful, please write helpful in the chat box. Yes. Yes. All right. Okay. So, dear parents, if you have any doubt or any questions or anything that you would want to know, please just write me in the chat box, or you can raise your hand, the icon of raise hand, and the team will unmute you, or I will unmute you. All right. If there are any questions or you would like to know anything about the phonics program, all right. Monali. Okay, ma'am, I'm giving you the option of unmuting. Please unmute.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, ma'am.
हाँ
मैम
जी, प्लीज बताइए मैम.
मैम मैं इसका फीस स्ट्रक्चर जानना चाह रही थी, क्या फीस स्ट्रक्चर है
हम्म.
एंड कितने डेज का ये कोर्स है, उसके बारे में थोड़ी डिटेल देंगे.
All right. Ma'am, phonics reading, if it will include reading, yes, regular dictations. There are three different levels in this program. This is a
Okay.
very long program, ma'am. How old is your child?
She is 8 years old.
8 years old. Which standard? Third? Second?
Second.
Second standard. All
Yes.
right. So, ma'am, is she finding reading difficult or making spellings or remembering spellings?
रीडिंग पार्ट तो ठीक है, स्पेलिंग में मिस्टेक्स करती है.
Mistakes करती है. Okay, okay. Ma'am, phonics is a complete 1 year program because there are 3 different levels to it. So in every single class, the sounds are introduced and dictations are given on a regular basis. In every class, there is a dictation because I teach more than 47 sounds for these 26 English letters. Right?
Okay.
So if I don't do regular recaps and dictations with them, I will not know their progress. Yes. So
Yes,
that is the reason why we do dictations on a regular basis. And the course takes time because we are actually trying to develop a skill. हम रीडिंग को एनहांस करने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों को रीडिंग में चैलेंज आती है, स्पेलिंग्स याद करने में आती है, तो हम
यस
रेगुलर बेसिस पे इनका डिक्टेशन वगैरह लेते हैं बच्चों का. यस, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई दिस कोर्स टेक्स टाइम. द क्लास इज 2 times in a week, मैम.
ओके.
या जी
फीस स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह का कहाँ से पता
मैम,
चले?
it is 2,000 rupees per month.
ओके.
And I will share the number. Team, please share your contact number for registration. I'm unable to see you. I don't know why. So, ma'am, the number will be shared. If there are any more doubts or queries, the team will help you to clear it.
ओके मैम. ओके. थैंक यू.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Thank you. In
थैंक.
every class, we have dictations so that we can track the progress of the child. अगर हम वो नहीं कर पाएंगे मैम, तो फिर हम आपको भी अपडेट नहीं दे पाएंगे. एंड इट्स ए रिक्वेस्ट टू द पेरेंट्स कि जब क्लास हो रही हो, वी रिक्वेस्ट द पेरेंट्स टू सिट विद द चाइल्ड.
यस मैम.
या
या ओके मैम. थैंक यू.
mostly the class duration, including the dictation, is 45 to 50 minutes until there is something important or some child wants to discuss. Then it pulls on to sometimes 1 hour also.
ओके. ओके.
जी, thank you. All right. Geetanjali Agarwal. Okay, just one moment, ma'am. Let me see you and I will unmute you. Yes, ma'am. I've given you an option of unmuting.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah. So I just wanted to know, apart from phonics, like are you going to practice, make kids practice on some readings as well?
Ma'am, I do tell the children, I unmute the children. I send words in the chat box and I request them to unmute and read.
Okay.
And I take regular dictations, as I just mentioned, because reading is very important. But because we are in an online class, I do it regularly. But on the other hand, whatever doubts they have, you can clear with me, and please practice at your end also. Even in the class, it is done.
One more thing,
Ji.
I have separate section, a separate schedule for different age group. Because like I saw in the today's demo class, like most of the sounds she already gone through in her UKG. So she was not getting very indulged into that because she is like that, this is I already know. So I just wanted to know if there is separate section for different age groups, or will it be common?
Ma'am, actually, the course for all the children is the same.
Okay.
Yes, irrespective of the age, because the ideal age for phonics is 4 plus, 4 and 4 plus. So
Right.
if the child is 4 plus, the child is eligible for the phonics program. राइट. हो सकता है कुछ साउंड्स के लिए आपको लगे अरे ये तो बहुत इजी है, मेरे बच्चे को तो ऑलरेडी आता है. दिस हैपेंस समटाइम्स, बट मैम देयर आर, एज आई मेंशन, more than 47 sounds that I cover.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if the child is not in rhythm with me, so it will become very difficult.
Okay.
So I always suggest parents कि प्लीज आप स्क्रैच से शुरू करो. सिंगल साउंड्स तो आपको लगेगा अरे तो इतना इजी है, क्या करना. बट मैम, रेगुलर डिक्टेशंस लेने पे बच्चे कई बार कंफ्यूज भी हो जाते हैं. हाउ ओल्ड इज योर चाइल्ड?
She is 6.5. She is in grade 1 now.
हाँ, तो मैम 6.5 में कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, व्हेन दे आर मेकिंग वर्ड्स एंड डिक्टेशंस दे गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, है ना. तो कभी कभी उन्हें ये लगेगा कुछ साउंड में, कह रही है तो बहुत इजी है, मुझे तो आता है, आई डोंट नीड टू डू इट. बट जब वो डिक्टेशन पे आते हैं, देन they end up making mistakes. So I would suggest हाँ बताइए.
One more thing, like primarily what I am looking for is like where she can understand the difference between some complex like th is th and it is the as well. So when to make the and when to make the. There are several sounds which spell same but different sounds in different scenarios.
Yes,
How are you
yes.
going to cover those?
Yes, ma'am. That is why, ma'am, it is a 1-year program. It is a very, very detailed program.
Okay.
जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो सब क्लास में कवर होगा. दे आर कॉल्ड ऑल्टरनेटिव्स, कि है ना, साउंड्स अलग अलग करते हैं, लेटर्स बदल जाते हैं, कई बार लेटर्स सेम रहते हैं, वो साउंड अलग करते हैं.
Right, right.
हाँ, यस मैम, ऑल दैट इज कवर्ड.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yes. Ma'am, the course fees is 2,000. The class is twice a week. Bisma, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Please post the details
Uh,
of the class.
yeah.
The
Okay.
class is every Tuesday and Thursday. Just make one message, Bisma, and just post it in the group, please, and your contact number. Yes, class timings will be 7:30 in the evening, ma'am, to 8:15, 8:20, but generally we say 8:30.
Ma'am, shortly I will share it in the group after the class.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Ma'am, spoken English is not a part of this program. We are very, very soon coming up with spoken English also. No, ma'am, as of now, we don't have any timings which are before 7 p.m. We have one batch which is on every Friday and Sunday. On Sunday, the timings are 1 to 2 in the afternoon, and on Friday evening, it is 7:30. Okay. Does anyone else? Yes, ma'am, a detailed message of the course, the timings, the fees, the days, everything will be posted by one of my team members, and she will be posting it very soon in the group. Yes. All right. My daughter is now in grade 2. Not a problem, ma'am. It is not a problem at all. Sayed Rayan. Yes, Rayan, do you have a question? Can you please tell me? Yes, I've given you an option to unmute.
Like this class, I want to join this class. I want this class. And you're drawing one.
You want to join this class?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Tell your mama to get in touch with me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, baby. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right. When is the program starting? Ma'am, this Tuesday, day after tomorrow. And how many students are there in a group?
What
Ma'am,
is the fees?
sweetheart, Rayan, I will post it in the WhatsApp group. You can ask mama to check it out. Okay, Rayan?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, baby, can you please mute yourself? Thank you. All right. Oh, yes. How many students? Let me answer one question. Maximum number of students in the batch are 12 to 13. Yes. Maximum, बहुत ज़्यादा maximum to 15, not more than that. My daughter knew short vowel sounds but confused at the time of dictation. Ma'am, very, very common. बहुत बच्चों के साथ होता है, so don't worry at all. It happens. Regular practice, regular dictations is going to make it very easy. That's why I said children say that they know the sounds, but when it comes to dictation, they get very confused. Yes? All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Does anyone else have any more questions to ask? I've covered most of them. If there is anything else, please put it in the chat box. All right. So if there are no more questions, thank you so much, everyone, for joining in the class. Have a lovely Sunday evening. Bye-bye. Take care. Ma'am, medium will be English and Hindi mix for some children who do not understand English, but 95% is going to be English. I might say something in Hindi and then translate it in English so that children who understand English and Hindi both understand. Yes? All right. Thank you very, very much. Bye-bye, everyone.